49th problem. The sum of 3 terms in GP is 13/12 and product is -1. Then the GP series asking. So here given relation sum of 3 terms in GP is 13/12 and product is -1. So let 3 terms in GP are taken as A by R, comma A, comma AR. So given relation product is -1. So taken as product is -1 means product of 3 terms A by R into A into AR is equal to -1. So RR get cancelled. A cube is equal to -1. So A cube is equal to -1 to the power of 3. So A is equal to -1. We get A value. So and given another relation sum of 3 terms in GP is 13/12. Sum of 3 terms in GP 13/12. So sum of 3 terms are A by R plus A plus AR is equal to 13/12. Taken as LCM, A plus AR plus AR square is equal to 13/12. So A plus AR plus AR square is equal to 13/12 into R. Now we know it A value is -1. Now substitute A is equal to -1 in this equation. -1 minus R minus R square is equal to 13/12. So if you take A is equal to -1, -1 into R minus R minus 1 into R square minus R square is equal to 13/12 into R. Okay, now cross multiply. -12 minus 12R minus 12R square is equal to 39. Okay, so these all terms are transferred this side. 12R square plus 13R plus 12R plus 12 equal to 0. These all terms are transposed this side. So 12R square plus 25R plus 12 equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. Now resolve into factors. Product is 144. 12 into 12 144. Okay, and sum is 25. So 16 is 144. 16 plus 9 25. So 12R square plus 16R plus 9R plus 12 equal to 0. So first two terms by taking common 4R, 3R plus 4. Next two terms by taking common 3R plus 4 equal to 0. So which one is common? 3R plus 4 is common. So by taking common this one, 4R plus 3 equal to 0. So either 3R plus 4 equal to 0 or 4R plus 3 equal to 0. So here 3R is equal to -4, R is equal to -4/3. Here 4R is equal to 3, -3, R is equal to -3/4. A is equal to -1. If R is equal to -4/3, then GP series A by R, A, AR. So that implies -1 by -4/3. A -1, AR -1 into -4/3. So result is 3/4 -1 4/3. Okay, or if you take R is equal to -3/4, A is equal to -1, R is equal to -3/4. So A by R, AR. So here 4/3 -1 3/4, or 3/4 -1 4/3. Okay, so next one 51. The value of 4 plus 44 plus 444 up to n terms. So here sum of n terms in this series is 4 plus 44 plus 444 plus 4444 like this up to n terms. Okay, now observe here this series in AP or GP. This is not in AP. If you check it GP, R is equal to T2 by T1. So we get R is equal to 11. If you multiply with 11, 484, but here 444 is there. So this series is not in AP and GP. Okay, so here 4 plus 444 plus 444 plus 4444 plus 1 up to n terms. This series is not in AP and GP. Okay, so this series is converted into GP. So how to convert? This is asking sum of n terms, so it is denoted with Sn. Sn is equal to 4 plus 44 plus 444 like that. So this is converted into GP. How to convert means, now observe here each term having 4 is there. By taking common 4, 1 plus 11 plus 311 plus like this up to n terms. Okay, now here this is multiply with 9. Why? Because here if you get 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. Here we get 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. So we get 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like that. So 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, that is in GP series. Okay, so multiply with 9. So 9 into Sn is equal to 4 into 9 into 1 plus 11 plus 311 plus up to n terms. So 4 of 9, 99, 399 plus 1 up to n terms. So 4 of 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. 399 can be written as 1000 minus 1 up to n terms. Now here 4 of grouping tens, 10, 100, 1000. 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus up to n terms. And minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, this also up to n terms. 4 of here 10 plus, this is 10 square, 10 cube, means multiples of 10 up to n terms. Here by taking common negative, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to n terms. So 4 of 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus up to n terms, minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms. The total result is n. This total result is n. Now observe here sum of n terms. This is in GP series. GP series sum of n terms. Okay, here first term a is equal to 10 and r is equal to T2 by T1. So 100 by 10 it becomes to 10. So r values is greater than 1. Okay, now sum of n terms 4 into, what is the formula? Sn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. This is formula. So what is a? 10. 10 into r to the power of r value also 10. 10 to the power of n times minus 1 by 10 minus 1, r minus 1, r value is 10. Minus here n is there, this n. So 4 of 10 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 by 9 minus n. This is equal to 9 into Sn. 9 into Sn. 9 into Sn is equal to. We want Sn. Okay. So 9 into Sn is equal to, if you multiply with 4, 40, 10 power n minus 1 by 9 minus 4n by 9. So Sn is equal to 40 into 10 power n minus 1 by 9 9 81 minus 4n by 81. Sorry, here 9 not there here. Means transpose this side, it becomes 9 only. So this is final answer. Sn is equal to 40 into 10 power n minus 1 by 81 minus 4n by 9. This is final answer. If the series is 5 plus 55 plus 555 like that is there, here we get 50 into 10 power n minus 1 by 81 minus 5n by 9, like this.